Well, I've just finished the January harvest, the last harvest in January, the sort of grimmest time of the year. I'm pretty pleased with this harvest though, it's looking quite nice, and I've worked hard this year to get a bit more colour in the harvest, and you can see that in things like these beautiful Asian greens and these ochres. So I'll just quickly skim through it. I'll start off actually just with all these salad bases. So all these are lettuces, and I'll be adding all sorts of extras, goodies to the mix, which I'll show you now. And here's some of those goodies. So we've got radishes and salad onions and claytonia and red stem pak choy, more red stem pak choy, tatsoi, spinach and baby beetroot leaves, and the ochre. I'll pick out the smallest of the carrots as well from these containers, these 3 containers, but I'm very pleased with these carrots. These are all Eskimos. The yacon, which is looking lovely, stored really well in those containers. I've just got a nice big stack of those containers with the lids on, and the ochre keeps in those well into spring. A few brassicas, so I've got some Brussels sprouts. I've only got a couple of weeks of Brussels sprouts left, but I've got quite a few weeks of colettes left. I've got some kale, I've got some red cabbage, and some more red cabbage here, and some savoy, and loads of onions. The white onions are kind of coming to the end now, so Debbie's just processed a load of those and put them in the freezer. These are Lister. They're really nice, really firm, and kept pretty well. There's some more of those Lister there, really nice. A couple of these red onions are starting to sprout, but the vast majority of them are in great condition. So we're just eating the ones that are starting to sprout. Elephant garlic, just ordinary garlic. A few dregs of Jerusalem artichokes, some baking potatoes, some little potatoes, salad potatoes, and they're meant to be purple. Really nice, those. And yeah, parsnips and leeks and beetroot. I think I got everything on the table. So yeah, pretty happy with that. That is enough to feed my local family and one friend. So we're not sort of picking for very many people at the moment, but yeah, I mean, that's still a respectable table for this time of year. My name's Steve, this is the Outgrow channel, and I'll see you soon.